It's Hard Monday, friends, and welcome to one more park workout. And I know it's Hard Monday because it was already hard for me to get out here. It was hard for me to decide what I wanted to do today, where I wanted to do it. And it's days like this when you just have to get out. So I'm out here. I'm going to do something. I should run around the park, around the track, but I think maybe it'll be kind of like a sprint up and down the field day. Got the jump rope. I got the suspension stuff. I got bands. And I got the body. So we can get something done here. Maybe just skipping around. Maybe just being out in the sun. Whatever it is we get done, we will report back to you as usual right after this important message. Alright, that's a wrap, kids, from the rainy, hard Monday park workout. We did some jogs, we did some trots, we did some sprints, we did some bounding, we did some side lateral jumps across the park, and we did some regular kangaroo hops across the field. So it was very invigorating, very tough, very short. But you know what? As they say, it bees that way sometimes. It's your boy Noxoma thanking you as always for joining me. Appreciate you guys. See you next workout.